There's Palghar as well, which is falling in that list of a margin of 5,000 or less. Dr. Hemant Vishnu Savara of the BJP is leading at the moment.
And so is BJP in all seats in Assam. And Subina joins us live with more updates. Subina, over to you. What do you have for our viewers? How does it look like for BJP there in Northeast Assam?
Yes, Sakal. As we can see that I'm here at Dibrugarh constituency, and this is the 11th round of counting that is happening, and BJP candidate from here, Sarbananda Sonowal, is leading by over 2 lakh votes. And AGP candidate, who is Lurin Jyoti Gogoi from here, has got around 3 lakh votes. And from AAP, we have Manoj Dhanwar, who has got 10,000 around votes. An interesting fact is that from Nota, we have around 24,000 votes that have come up.
Okay.
Now, if we look at the trends that have been happening,
Go ahead.
yes, Sakal. And if we talk about Assam, overall Assam, in Kokrajhar, UPPL, Jayanta Basumatari is leading by 36,000 votes. Then in Dhubri, from Congress, Rakibul Hussain is leading by 4 lakh votes. In Borpeta, BJP Pani Bhushan Chaudhary is leading by 1.3 lakh votes. And then in Darang, Udalgiri, BJP Dilip Saikia is leading by 1.9 lakh votes. In Guwahati, BJP is leading, where Bijuli Kalita Medhi is leading by 1.6 lakh votes. In Difu, BJP Amar Singh Tisot is leading by 60,000 votes. In Karimganj, again, Congress is leading, Hafiz Rashid Chaudhary is leading by 2,000 votes. In Silchar, again, we have BJP, where Parimal Shukla Baido is leading by 1.4 lakh votes. In Nagaon, we have Congress, from Congress, Pradyut Brodoloi, who is leading by 1.1 lakh votes. In Kaziranga, we have Kamaikha Prasad Tasa, who is leading by 1.1 lakh votes. In Sonitpur, again, we have BJP Ranjit Datta, who is leading by 2 lakh votes. In Lakhimpur, we have BJP Pradhan Borwa, who is leading by 1.6 lakh votes. In Jorhat, Congress is leading.
I think one of the big stories that is coming out of Assam is how the AIUDF's Badruddin Ajmal, the perfume man of India, is right now trailing very badly by more than 5 lakh votes. I think that's a big takeaway, isn't it, Shubham, for the elections in Assam?
Yes, absolutely. I think, this is one of the most important messages of this